we're gonna continue to pull the motor out now.
Freedom, baby!
Oh no!
Okay, so we just found this in the oil pan.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back for the next episode of working on the Taurus SHO. We are hopefully by the end of this episode going to know everything that is majorly wrong with the car and have a good plan of how we're going to fix it. So first things first, it looks like we're going to be taking the exhaust manifolds off, and we're going to be using like a scope sort of camera to look in and see if there's anything going on with the valves, because we have a few different theories of what's going on. And just a quick recap, basically, if you didn't see last episode, this car came into a shop for a timing chain issue. The car was still running at the time, but it was having chain slap, so they took it apart and replaced everything. Apparently when they got it back together, they were having no compression in cylinder 1, only cylinder 1 though, so something weird is going on. We were thinking bent valve, but there's some things that are making us maybe think otherwise.
Yeah, if your chain stretches and hits a valve, it's going to be all on that bank.
Yeah, it's going to be more than one valve,
the way these engines are. So if it's just one valve, then maybe it's like carbon buildup that got shoved
it could
up the
be
valve seat,
yeah,
so
because
the
there
valve's
was
not
a
closing all the way.
Yeah, there was a lot of carbon in there.
Well, you can kind of see there's a little bit at the very top. It basically looks like that all the way down to the bottom. Yeah. And then it's worse at the bottom.
Yeah. The valves themselves have a ton on them too. And it's very common for these cars, but a lot of the Ecoboosts in general, because of their like really small turbos and the way that the boost comes in way too early, they're known for a lot of carbon buildup issues. So that could potentially be it. That would be really cool, because we would literally like $0 compression fix. So today is the day we finally find out. Alright, exhaust manifold 1 is off, and Eli said it looks interesting. Show the people.
Yeah. So see that like white? The other ones don't look really like that. They're just like actually white. We're gonna dig a little closer. I might see something sus right there.
We just rigged up something kind of cool. So I have a Harbor Freight compression tester. We have a regulator with 3 ports, and we basically hooked the gauge up to 1 port, and then we're gonna hook up the spark plug adapter to the other port. So not only will we get a PSI reading, but we can regulate pressure and kind of leak down compression test.
So they make these that you use in air compressor, but
yeah, is that technically a leak down test?
I think so. So this is like a friggin' cheap Harbor Freight.
We just kind of made it work.
Yeah, regulator that usually has this gauge here. So we just connected a bung to it, and then
yep.
Now if we up this, the PSI goes up. Oh, boost. Okay, so right now there's no. Well, I already hear it.
Oh yeah, you can hear it. Hold up, let me come to the other side. Oh wait, it's coming out down here. Maybe?
It is. Well, it's not a valve issue.
I'm feeling some air, yeah.
So the piston rings need oil to be sealed.
True,
so if
true. We might put
like
some
oil,
spoonful of oil,
yeah,
capful,
in the spark plug hole.
Yes.
That'll make up, because this has been sitting without oil.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give me like 5 minutes to get this in that stupid spark plug hole. Yeah, there's nothing, so.
Yeah, that looks actually really clean.
Let's
too.
just fill that with oil.
Yeah,
and
put a cap full of oil in there. It looks actually really clean. Like, it didn't look like there was a ton of buildup.
So we just filled the piston, the top of the piston. We just covered that crap in oil, like a good bit.
Yeah.
And then we put the air on, and if you look down there, when I filled up the pressure,
the oil just came squirting down.
Yeah, before there was
right now.
There was a lot more oil.
Yeah, you can hear it. You can hear it. You can see it. You can literally just hear it coming out of here. It's looking like ring failure. Was actually the problem.
Failure. So
as long as it's not damaged, we should be able to just do a ring job.
Yeah, because there could be a chance where like just a little tiny bit of the wing.
The wing? The wing flew away.
Wore down, so it's not making good contact on one corner or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
It doesn't necessarily mean the ring exploded and
sent shrapnel everywhere,
up and down the wall.
Because everything looks okay, but we won't really know till we drain everything out.
So we're gonna have to figure out the next plan of attack.
Yep. Still have to continue to diagnose this motor, but it looks like we're onto something.
We're gonna have to probably, the first order of business would be disconnect what little connectors and hoses are attached to it, and then put this whole thing on jacks and try and pull it out from under the car.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna need access to the piston, so we gotta take the oil pan off. So at this rate, we might as well just put built forged pistons and rods in.
Big turbos.
Wait, cut.
We're gonna continue to pull the motor out now. Heating up bolts. Yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Transmission fluid's coming out.
Got the 2 drain plugs. I wanted to swap transmission fluid anyway, so this works.
Yeah, no, not a bad idea.
And then we gotta figure out the connections for the transmission.
Yep.
Which obviously all the bell housing bolts, but some of them have it attached at the bottom.
Yeah.
You have to like go in and spin it. We'll see if that's the case on this motor too. If it is, we'll do that. But first figure out how to attach the engine lift.
Yeah, we're gonna put an engine hoist on the engine.
Hoist
pull
it up.
that off, and the transmission will stay on the cross member right here. And the wires only took us like 5 minutes to pull apart. It was
Yeah,
no big
half
deal.
of them were already disconnected.
You can see most of the harness like right there, so it's not really too bad. And we were able to keep the AC all intact
Didn't
by
have to
leaving the
empty all
pump
that
there.
out.
Yeah,
It'll be fun getting it back down in, but
yeah. That
a lot of fluid in there.
we'll slowly be bringing it down when we put it back together.
So, heat magnet. Oh,
Hello.
Freedom, baby.
can I pull it toward you?
Quick.
Yep. Okay, right there.
What's your language?
Get the frick in the hole.
But this is interesting. I think we found our issue right here, boys. That's piston ring.
Dude, yeah, that is piston ring.
It's the one that holds the oil.
There's what's left of one of our rings. How nice.
Oh, there's some more.
Is there more?
Oh, frick, that looks like a piston.
What? Oh. Oh. Oh no.
Okay, so we just found this in the oil pan. That is part of the piston. So we're really hoping that the walls are fine and just the bottom of the piston blew out. But we're about to find out.
Wow.
This is not supposed to be in there. So it looks like there's some parts to a piston and
Some plastic.
that's, yeah, the plastic to the timing chain guide.
Oh yeah, the kind of timing chain guide too.
That's number one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, I see.
Dude, the walls look fine.
Do they?
Yeah, look. I don't know if you can really see it from there, but you see?
Yeah.
They look freaking perfect.
It might be salvageable. Just we need a piston
Yes.
and the ring. Yeah, let's go.
What was that?
I'm sorry, I missed. Hey.
Hey. I think we definitely need a new oil pump though.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Bearing looks good.
Yeah.
Careful and then guide this so it doesn't. You want to grab the flashlight and shine it in there?
This is the moment of truth. Drum roll.
I think we're good.
I think we're good, dude.
Bro, it's got a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see that. Is it fingernail?
No,
Possibly just a little hone.
a little DIY dingleberry.
So you guys can see this is where the piston actually failed close up. and that's why we were having compression issues. Thankfully, though, it looks like there is little to no damage, and we're going to be able to reuse this block with a new piston. We are going to pull another piston out just to look for fun since we're here, but from what we're able to see so far, it looks like this motor is in good health, and smooth sailing, baby. So we got everything torn down, right?
Hello.
We know. Pretty much we know what happened to the car. We know that this is all salvageable. So what are they gonna have to do? They're gonna have to go down there and do what?
Subscribe.
They're gonna have to go down there and hit the subscribe, but what else are they gonna have to do?
Buy merch. We don't have merch.
What? No, what else are they gonna do when they hit the subscribe button?
Donate. And hit the like button and the bell icon.
Yeah, the bell. That was the right answer. But seriously, go hit the subscribe button and get ready, because in the next episode, we're going to show you guys exactly like what we're doing.
Yep.
Put it together.
And we're also going to have a funeral for my paycheck.
Now we know. Now you know. And I'm really excited because we're going to be able to use this motor. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. God bless and peace out.